What is up everybody, Antec here, and today I'm bringing you my $500 gaming build. And this build is an Intel based build, and to kick off we're going to start with the Intel Core i3 3.1 GHz LGA 1155 processor. Now this processor has a lot of power for what you pay, and it's going to make a great start to our build, so for $120 you really can't go wrong. Along with our socket 1155 processor, we had to get a socket 1155 motherboard, and we've gone with the P8H61-M with LE and CSM compatibility. And some of the great features with this motherboard is it has two DIMM slots for dual channel memory, it has a full length PCI slot, and it has all your SATA connectors. So for $70 you really can't go wrong. For our memory, we're going with Kingston Hyperspeed, and this is 8 gigabytes of hyperspeed memory. And we have two sticks here to take advantage of our dual channel motherboard. And for $40, it's going to make a great addition to our build. For our storage, we are going with a Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard drive. This is 7200 RPM. And for $110, this is a lot of storage for your photos, music, videos, games, and all of that sort of stuff. For our graphics card, we are going with the Sparkle 700008 GeForce GT 610. Now this is a 2 GB card, and as you can see, it has a VGA port, a dual-link DVI port, and an HDMI port, so you can take advantage of HD monitors and even older monitors and all this sort of stuff. So for $45 you really can't go wrong. For our power supply, we're going with the COUGAR A-Series A560. This is a 560 watt power supply, and it is 80 plus bronze certified, and for $80 it's a great addition to our build. To house all of this, we're going with the Antec 300 black steel ATX mid-tower case. Now this case has all the features you need, and for $55 you really can't go wrong. It also looks pretty good in my opinion as well. So what's the damage? All up, this build will cost you $463.93. Now that is actually under our budget by nearly $40. So if you wanted to, you could for a bit over $500 you could add an extra graphics card maybe, or go for a better CPU or stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this particular video. My name is Antec. Please don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.